Y'all, the way I'm about to lose my mind making this damn video right now, like, I really do feel like I'm gonna get canceled within today's video because I'm so tired of people's shit. Honestly, like, just keeping it real with you guys, people have lost their minds, and I feel like they try to be so different that they want to call something different when it's really like, say, for example, somebody gets out there and like, oh, I created laundry soap. It's not detergent, it's laundry soap. It's like, bitch, it's detergent. It's detergent. Like, literally, like, what's the difference? Like, it's like me saying over here, like, oh, look, I have this shirt with buttons on it. It's like, it's a button up. Do you know what I mean? Like, I hate when people get out there, just like with the road thing, if you all watch my road videos, as to where people are like, no, it's a lip contour. It's not a lip liner. And I'm like, and what do you think a lip liner does? It literally contours the shape of your lip. What are you talking about calling it a lip contour? It's like, no, it's a lip liner. Literally, that's what lip liners do. It defines the shape of your lip. That's where I start to lose my mind because people, when it came down to POV Beauty by Mikayla Nogueira, people are like, it's not skincare, it's skin prep. And I'm like, and what do you think that is? It's skincare. There is skincare ingredients within those products, and people want to start this whole new category of skin prep rather than skincare. And it's like, y'all, since the dawn of time, everyone doing makeup since Marilyn Monroe back in the day, they prep the skin with skincare. You will always see somebody put on moisturizer or some type of skincare product before, and the fact that people are like, no, this is skin prep and not skincare, I'm like, what? I saw a comment on TikTok, and y'all, I literally never comment back to people like this, but I swear I was so close to commenting back to this person. Like, do you even hear what you're saying? Like, when you type those words out, do you read it back? Like, this person commented underneath one of these posts that were going viral talking about skincare. This person literally said, it's not skincare, it's skin prep. Like, the whipped cream, for example, is not a moisturizer, it's a whipped skin prep. I'm like, or a whipped skin prep cream or something like that. I was like, you sound crazy. You sound crazy. It's literally a moisturizer. That's what it is. It's called a whipped cream, obviously, because that's just what she's naming it, like whip it, drip it, like all these different things that sound like a damn bop it. You know what I'm saying? I don't understand how people are like, no, it's skin prep, not skincare. It's like, y'all, it's literally skincare. Do you think that you need 5 different skin prep things to go on your skin before putting on your makeup? No, it's skincare. You can literally use your skincare as skin prep. You are prepping the skin for makeup. I don't understand it, okay? If it was just only skin prep, then it would literally just be a primer, and that's just it. Like, people honestly make me want to lose my damn mind because I'm like, oh my gosh, it's the road thing all over again, to where they're like, it's not a lip liner. I don't know why people are using it as a lip liner. I'm like, it's literally a lip liner. What are you talking about? I don't get it. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about Mikayla is getting called out for stealing somebody's brand. And I have to say, y'all, this is where I'm like, okay, y'all know I'm always going to keep it real. She didn't steal nobody's brand, okay? And if people were to do a little bit of research on this, like, she actually had a filing on the USPTO website, like, literally at the same exact time as this person, like, made their first Instagram post, which we'll get into in a second. I do want to go over the pricing of these products because a lot of people are saying that this is, oh my gosh, y'all, the way I have this lash stuck in my eye, and before me filming this video, I was trying so hard to get it out, and it's not coming out. It's driving me crazy. Anyways, people are saying that the pricing is, like, really high for this. I have to say, I feel like it's in the middle. I don't think that it's low end by any means, and I don't think it's high end by any means. I do want to say this, though, in her defense, being that if she did actually have to go to Korea and get the products, like, formulated over there, obviously it's going to cost a little bit more because, you know, paying for the import fees and all that stuff coming over. These are alleged pricings, okay? At the time of me filming this, like, she does not have her website open. It doesn't come out until March 26th. She hasn't posted it on her Instagram, her TikTok, none of that stuff. So I don't know how this person came out and said that these are the pricings of the products. I don't know where that came from, okay? But she has the Drench It for $34. Once again, allegedly, we don't know if this is for sure. The Glaze It at $28. The Whip It, which is a whipped moisturizer that's not a moisturizer, that's not skin prep, that's skin prep, that's not skincare. The way I'm like, I'm gonna lose my, it's literally a moisturizer. It's part of skincare. A moisturizer, skincare. Y'all, don't get me started on this. I swear, literally, the way people's comments make me want to lose my mind. The fact that you're literally getting out here and saying a moisturizer is not skincare, that it's skin prep, I'm like, you're delusional. You're delusional. Anyways, $38. The Drip It is $36, and the Lip Ampule $22. Which, by the way, I think that's a little expensive because it's like, I just don't feel like a lip product like that should be over 20 bucks. Like, girl, keep it at $19, in my opinion. Anyways, those are supposedly the pricing right there. I do gotta say, there's a lot of people out there on the internet that are like, oh, these pricings are like way too high. I don't think that they're too high. Y'all, before Bioma, I used to use Tatcha, which I love Tatcha products, but damn, like that's really expensive stuff. Do you know what I'm saying? Bioma, though, by the way, y'all know recently I've been loving that. It's very affordable. And a lot of times at Ulta, they have buy one, get one 50% off. So y'all should check that out because I love their stuff. Anyways, that's it for the pricing right there. A lot of people are saying that it is high. Some are saying, no, I feel like the price point is actually really good. Me personally, I feel like it's right in the middle. I don't think it's too high. I don't think it's too low. I think personally she should have had it be like more low because her fan base is very young. So it's like, why wouldn't you make it be a little bit lower? Do you know what I mean? Anyways, that's just my little 2 cents on it. Anyways, the main topic that we're going to talk about right now, I am trying my hardest to like be very understanding, but y'all know that I've talked about this before. If you guys haven't been on my channel for quite a while, Jaclyn Hill had got called out before for stealing somebody's Co's brand or something like that. She got called out for stealing somebody's brand name. It's a very tricky topic when you are putting out a trademark, and I've done this myself before. When you are filing for a trademark, they make it out there public. They have to run that brand name in the public to see if anybody objects it and says that they are using it in their business, you know? So it is something that is made public. However, things do get tricky when we are talking about different countries, being that this brand is specifically from Canada. Obviously, Mikayla's is from the USA. However, when you are going to be a, business person, you do need to look worldwide if you are going to be potentially selling to other countries. You need to look for if that trademark is, what's the word, viable? Is that the right word? In other countries. Do you know what I'm saying? So it's something that you have to do your research on. This person, to my understanding, did not do a trademark, period, okay? From what I was researching and from what I was looking up, I think that it does suck. However, it's, y'all, I'm gonna just keep it so for real with you guys because y'all know that Mikayla could literally kiss my Bucci. Like, for real, I literally can't stand her because y'all already know why I'm bitter towards her. But anyways, I'm not trying to defend her in any type of way, but I did actually go to the USPTO trademark website, which is the government website, and she did file her trademark literally almost 2 years ago. So it's kind of like, y'all, and then actually, you know what, just showing you guys from the jump of this video, you guys can see from the posting right here that this person who owns this POV Canada beauty brand, they made their first post right here in January 1st of 2024. So this is where I'm kind of like, I don't think Mikayla stole the brand because she literally filed, during that time too. And obviously it was for the taking, which I feel bad about, you know what I mean? Because obviously this person didn't know no better. They're just starting their brand. But I do got to say this though, like when I went to go build my brand, like the very first thing that I did was trademark it. Like that's the very first thing. And it's so crazy that a high school dropout dumbass like me can obviously think, oh shit, I got to go to the courthouse, file a trademark. Then obviously everybody else should, do your research on what are the first steps of building a brand, because stuff like this can happen, okay? Now I do want to go ahead and read this. It's actually translated from French, so I do apologize if this is wrong because I did put this in Google Translate, so I'm just reading it from there because the original postings from this beauty owner right here were in French, and y'all know I don't speak French. I barely speak English. This is what it says right here: betray, sad, angry, humiliate, and heartbroken. This is how I feel right now about the launch of Mikayla's brand. I feel like someone has just sawed off both my legs, that my greatest pride has been stolen. In short, I don't have the words to describe how hopeless I am. It's been almost a year since the brand was created to see that someone took your name, your concept, when you have invested all your savings, your passion, and much more. I don't know how to react or what to do right now. It saddens me to an unimaginable extent. How can we do this to a small queer? You know what's so funny, y'all? The word queer. I don't know why it like triggers me because I'm like, when I grew up, being called queer was literally like the worst damn thing. Do you know what I mean? Obviously, I'm 35 now, okay? But back in the day, if y'all are around my age, being called queer was really like, that was the low blow right there. Do you know what I mean? So I'm like, not the queer right here, the queer business, but times changed, I guess, Honestly, if I ever come out with a brand, I'm literally gonna put fag owned. Like, I honestly am. Y'all can cancel me for it. I don't give a shit, because I like the word fag better than queer. I don't know why, okay? Literally, so when I see people say, like, their queer owned brand, I'm like, if I had a brand, I would be like, the fag owned brand. You know what I mean? I think it sounds cute. Anyways, Quebec business that doesn't even have the means to defend anything. And then he tagged Mikayla and then POV Beauty. I in no way, shape, or form want to defend Mikayla. However, I do feel like this guy should have done, or their, y'all, I am so sorry because I don't know the pronouns. Y'all know I'm a little bit ignorant when it comes down to that. I think that queer can fall under the category of like they, them. I don't fucking know, y'all. Cancel me. I can't keep up. Anyways, this person, I feel like they should have done their due diligence and actually like, searched. But also in Mikayla's defense, like y'all literally looking at the filing, you guys can see from the screenshot right here, she filed it in, oh my gosh, I literally just lost my screenshot. Y'all will see it up on here, but it was in 2024 as well too. So this is where I say, I just think it's one of those things that obviously there's so many beauty brands out there now that so many brand names are going to be taken, and that's just, it's going to be really hard to think of something that hasn't been taken. Do you know what I'm saying? I think that it sucks for this person obviously because they, have their branding on their products, but it's, something that's unfortunate, but it's obviously something that you could have prevented because you kind of got out there and actually researched it before time. I do want to say this though. This person's kind of funny though. They did say, they posted this on there. Can we talk about the fact that in less than 48 hours, almost all the glosses are sold out, and for the highlight, half the stock is gone. Y'all are crazy. I love you. And they had put right on their thing to use code copycat for 10% off. So they're obviously playing into it. I gotta say this, in their benefit, it did kind of like work out as of right now. I do gotta keep it real though with my opinions here, and being that obviously I did look up the USPTO that she filed in 2024 as well too, which is the first time, as you guys can see from the picture right here, that this person had posted from their beauty brand in 2024. So this is where I'm just kind of like, y'all, I feel bad, but even this first post right here, if I'm being so for with you guys, like it literally just says right here, January 1st, 2024, hashtag small business, hashtag small business owner, hashtag makeup, hashtag new brand. Like, you know what I mean? So I'm just kind of like, it's very gray area. Everyone is saying, and I do have to say this though, that Mikayla should have obviously done her due diligence as well too and just Googled it. And I do want to say this in the person's defense. I did hop onto Google, I typed in POV Beauty, and it did come up povbeauty.ca for Canada. So I do want to throw that out there too, that obviously, this person's brand was out there and it was Googleable. I do want to like put this comment in here too, because this is something that, if you guys know the Alexis Stone, he's a very, very popular makeup artist. Oh my God, like he's a badass makeup artist. I don't know if you guys have seen him before. Like he'll dress up like Mrs. Doubtfire and things like this. Like he uses all silicone. Like amazing, amazing. He commented underneath one of the drama TikTok accounts. It said the first step of creating a brand is reserving trademarks and username years prior to this independent brand. It happens. It's basic business knowledge. So Mikayla has done no wrong. I hate to say this, but it is true. Like I really do feel bad for this brand, especially because, if they're a small creator and they're a small brand and like they put their savings into this, I can 100% feel for that. But this is where it's going to be a learning experience for this person to make sure you trademark everything. Anyways, make sure you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions about everything. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.